would stick around after for the post-game show.
Well, the danger thing here is a three-point attempt by Porter Jr. or by any player.
Anybody, yeah. You got to make sure you don't.
Bantay, bantay.
Again, they don't shoot a ton of threes.
Huwag mo palapitin, huwag mo palapitin. Pick and roll na naman yan. Oh, bubutas na naman. Nice! Ay, foul.
That's no shot. That's on the floor.
Nice hesitation dribble.
Labas ang bola, labas, labas. Walang free throw, walang free throw.
But that's free throw.
Baba pa, baba pa. Oh, baba pa yung foul, baba pa.
By LeBron.
Both teams out of fouls, by the way.
Baba pa. Oh, wala. Wala, wala. Ay, free throw.
5% free throw shooter, but hasn't tried one.
Sablay, sablay. Asa, grabe. Deadlock na naman.
Denver is 14 of 16 from the line. The Lakers 10 of 13.
57 seconds left in regulation.
Sablay, 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 sablay. Oh, grabe, di talaga makaya. Sa'yo na yan, Lo.
Here come the Lakers with LeBron.
Dalawang, ano kayo, Lo? Dalawang,
James.
ano kayo? Lolo! Lolo Lebron! Lolo!
Now they need one.
Oh, last shot kayo, Lo, ha?
All they need is one stop.
Defense, defense!
Literally hopping mad. He didn't get
Defense!
Murray.
Huwag mo pa-shootin ng tres! Wag! 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 Ay siya! Naku! Grabe na talaga!
That's a two. 99-0.
Grabe!
Shot clock is 5 ahead of the game.
Dalawang posisyon pa kayo, ha? Naku! Pinatay na ni Lolo Lebron! Shoot mo, Lo! Shoot mo, Lo! Ay, what? Ay, pailari sila! Yari!
One for the last shot.
Wala!
They should. They know what they want to run.
Basket win.
Delikado! Delikado! Last shot! Ay! Wala! Ay! Ay, put!
Well, Jamal Murray has struggled basically all night, but he made some big ones, including the game winner
Yari!
right there. What
Grabe yun!
for the Lakers?
Natirahan pa ng 3 points. Ay, ano? Oh! Ay, 2 points. Grabe. Talo.
Grabe naman yung ending, mga bossing, no? Kaya sa mga naghahanap po ng League Pass natin, pwede na po yung Gcash natin, mga...
Hindi na si Lebron pinapakinggan ng referee.
Pwede na, mga lodi. Yan. Abil na kayo, 300 hanggang finals, mga boss.
It's off the screen. Drive, step back, jump shot, bottom. Game over.
Grabe. Kita nyo naman yan, no? Na-clutch 3 pa. Clutch 2. Grabe si Lebron. Iyak si Lebron. Pati tayo, iyak.
Pwede nyo na pong reset yung ating payment,
Eh.
mga boss.
Kakagigil. Kakagigil ni Moria. Ginit na.
Grabe, what an ending, mga boss.
Ay, nakakainit si Moray.
Sa mga sponsor, PM lang sa page.